I've got 3 boxes of this type of chair to build. And there's the model number. So inside the box, seat, backrest, seat marked front for assembly. It is your adjuster mechanism, armrest, the strut, bolt, instruction, and the base, and a bunch of casters. Now with this next one, we got a bit of an issue here. The box is in bad shape. It looks like it's torn on the bottom. And you remember the Toyotas that had rats chewing on the electrical cables in the vehicle harness? It was, the wires were coated with some kind of plastic the rodents liked. So that's exactly what you're having here. This did not fall out of the box and be dragged along the floor, but this is how rodents chew surfaces. And this here, it's not possible for this item to be dragged along the floor randomly and be damaged this way. So this is, rats chewed the surface right there as well. And a little bit over here. So if you're getting much of this chair, this make and model, be aware. Rodents will love your chair. This bonded leather is not leather at all, it's fake plastic. So on the underside here, 1/2-inch plywood and medium density foam and a little bit of really cheap upholstery. Assembling the chair upside down, working on top of the cardboard box it came in seems to be a good idea. So let's start with screw number 9. Screw number 9 for this mechanism, because this is the nut here in the open, front, arrow, front. Yeah, very easy. 4 screws, go. This knob here with the plus minus sign is tilting the whole chair. Yeah, just like that. So the whole unit is going to be rocking back and forth. There's no way to adjust the angle of the backrest alone. The whole thing either tilts back or not. So that's all the adjustments. And up and down. The bolt holes may not be confidence inspiring, but this fuzzy here is only the upholstery material. There's a metal insert underneath, of course. Okay, this fuzz is making assembly miserable. So to spin the screws, we switched to power tool. Just cut off the tool that it came with, spinning the screw this way. Line it up, just like so. It's just friction fit, that's all there is to it, no tools. So the backrest mounts to the armrest with just 4 screws. The back does not directly attached to the adjuster mechanism underneath. So if it looks a little meager, if the armrests are compromised for any reason, I guess there goes the backrest. Yeah, so lining up the metal inserts with the holes in the armrest was especially miserable. Needed 2 people lifting it, spreading the armrest, bending it out so we can line up the screws with the inserts. 2 people were not having any amount of fun with it. It's a bit of a geometric puzzle while holding on to the weight of the backrest. Oh yeah, they got cuts too. Nice. Sit on it, let's see. How's the chair? You'll be the first to try it. Well, what do you reckon?
Very comfortable.
All right, go up and down with it. That's about the only adjustment you have with
size.
it.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Executive, happy with the chair? How's the armrest height?
Perfect.
Working for you?
Yes.
All right.